Alright, I think it's recording. So this is my first attempt at using the Insta360 X3 camera. A lot of complicated menus on this thing. Anyway, I'm here in downtown Little Rock. Leave a comment if the video quality is good. I'm here on a pretty hazy day, and I'm curious to see if the video and audio is remotely watchably decent. Anyway, there's this submarine here that's kind of cool, and it's only open on weekends, and they only do guided tours, so they wouldn't let me roam around on my own. But I'm at this little downtown riverfront park. I'm very curious to see how this camera does, because the GoPro really doesn't like cloudy days like today. I'd like to visit the submarine one day and take a full tour. I'm just never here when they're open. They've turned a couple of these old railroad bridges into walking bridges. This one, and not the bridge next to me, but the one past it, is also a walking bridge now, which is pretty nice. It's nice that they can turn these old structures into something usable. Let's see here. I find these World War II submarines pretty amazing because, man, I really would not want to be living on one. That would be a very, very uncomfortable situation to have to serve on board one of these things. A lot of people can't. It's shockingly narrow too. Like when you look at it from above, it's not very wide at all. It actually looks kind of small. I think this one's named the Razorback. And there goes the trolley, the Little Rock trolley, if you can see it on the bridge. That's super fun. That's a nice big comfortable trolley to ride. I think it's free too. If you're in downtown Little Rock, definitely take that trolley for a spin. It's kind of nice. Takes you all around the downtown. There's not really a whole lot to see in downtown Little Rock, to be honest. It's kind of a unimpressive downtown. There's really not much to see here, but if you're here, check it out. Anyway, that's about all I got for today.